Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 13. In this time, we will present about our project, configure DHCP and mail server on Ubuntu. My name is Andro Rizky Adityo and my partner is Wahyu Adi Pamungkas.
Okay.
We go to the system analysis. The first is DHCP. DHCP is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It's a protocol that provides quick and automatic for distribution of IP address. And then mail server is a cloud computing based program in internet service that is used to serve sending or receive email via the same mail server network. Okay, the contents of the project. The first is install DHCP on Ubuntu. The second is test DHCP on Windows client. The third is the test DHCP on Linux client. And the fourth, check this is IP from server. The fifth is install mail server on Ubuntu. And the sixth is the test mail server. Okay, the first we install DHCP. We can install DHCP. Use the sudo apt-get install DHCP server on terminal. And then we config the DHCP server using sudo nano etc dhcp.conf. And this is the subnet. And we insert the domain name, subnet mask, broadcast address, and anymore. After that, we restart the DHCP server using sudo service DHCP server restart. And then we open the network internet settings on Windows client, change the IP automatic configuration, and then on command prompt we check the IP address using ipconfig. And if DHCP is on, the IP address will take the IP from the server, and this IP is the IP is 192.168.1.10. And then we test the DHCP on Linux client. On the terminal, we use sudo nano /etc/network/interface. We edit the network interface to DHCP, and then restart the network using service networking restart, and then check the network on the Linux client. And then we can check the license IP from server. Check the license IP using nano var lib dhcp license. And this is the DHCP that used on the client.
Okay. And now is the mail server. The mail server have two common parts. There are outgoing server that function is to sending mail using SMTP protocol, use port 25, and second is incoming server to receive the mail, and there are two protocol, POP3 and IMAP. Okay, to install mail server, we first install Dovecot Core, Dovecot IMAP, and Dovecot POP3. After that, we install postfix and mail utils. After that, we config the postfix settings using internet site, and we fill the domain using our domain name. In this case is wahyu.net, and fill other destination mail. In the setting, actually uh, we can use the default setting, and we can use default setting, just next and OK to next configuration, and we choose IPv4 for internet protocols. Okay, after that we test the mail server and send mail to others user using mail charles at wahyu.net is the domain name. After that, click enter, and we fill the subject, and we fill the message test mail server 123, and to send we use Control D to send the message, and we test the mail, and to test open in the terminal using telnet localhost 100 100 110. This is the POP3 port, and we fill the username and password, user Charles, and password is Charles. After we login, we check there are incoming mail using stat. Stat means status. After that, we use rater, rater number 3 to look the incoming mail from other user. And this is the example. The user was sending and receive to Charles from Pamungkas. After that, we try to send mail to others operating different operating system from Linux to Windows. And in Windows, we using Microsoft Outlook in Windows 10. First, open the control panel and go to user account and set the email Outlook setting and fill the username Kang Wahyu, and the email address is kangwahyu@wahyu.net. Wahyu.net is the domain name. After that, we just click next and waiting until the configuration is complete. And now we test to send mail from Outlook to Linux server or Linux other user. We send to pamungkas@wahyu.net and test mail server 1234, and we just click send in the left side. And this is the example of send mail from Outlook to Linux. The mail is from Kang Wahyu and from Microsoft Outlook version 16. Okay. And the next is for Windows 7, we try to using Thunderbird mail, and the step is same like we config the Outlook on Windows 10. Fill the name and email address, and then we click continue. And in account setting, we edit the configuration and set the connection security to none because there are no connection security in this server, and then click OK. And we try to send message by click right and send test the mail to aceng@andro.net, and there are inbox the message was sent. Okay. Okay, that's from me and Andro. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat siang.